What's happening, guys? Adam here, hope you are well. Okay, so most of you know what this is, the Sony Tx650 recorder. Most videographers in the industry seem to have these now, or have at least heard about them. In the UK market at least, I'm not sure if they're as well known in the US, but they should be because they're brilliant. But they're pretty famous now. Again, thanks to the Master Yoda, Philip White, credit to him, but I use these for all of my weddings, my entire audio equipment for my films. I've got 6 of these and I keep them in a little pouch this big, and they're fantastic. And I'm not going to harp on about them too much. I have done a review kind of video that I will link in the description below, but the one question that I do get asked so much is what settings to have these in. I'm going to give you guys the settings that I use so you can get the best out of these for your weddings, and it's really simple and straightforward. So all you need to do, once you've got your recorder and you've set up the date and time and all that jazz, if you press this little home button on the top side of it and go into the menu, go across into the settings, and you want to be in recording settings, the first option. Here, scroll down to REC mode, record mode, and in there select LPCM, the 44.1 kilohertz option, LPCM. Now this will give you a WAV file as opposed to the other settings, which are MP3. Obviously WAV files are slightly bigger file sizes, but I wouldn't worry about that too much. You're talking a matter of megabytes, but they are going to be better quality, which will give you a little bit more wiggle room in post if you need it. So set up LPCM, the WAV setting. Once you've done that, come back out into the recording settings, and this time go on mic sensitivity. So select mic sensitivity, and you want to set that to low. You've got high, medium and low. Set that to low. So you've got LPCM for the WAV file, you've got low sensitivity, and that's all you need to do. That's it. So it's dead quick, dead simple. Take it on your next wedding, clip it into the groom's pocket or whatever, and just let this thing do all the hard work for you. Now, the one thing I will mention quickly is the scene select menu. So again, in the settings, in recording settings, you've got scene select as an option. If you go in there, it's already loaded with some preset settings that Sony give you, and they're intended to cover various scenarios. So you've got shirt pocket, meeting, lecture, etc. In terms of presets that are relevant to weddings, you've got the shirt pocket setting, which according to Sony is ideal for clipping into shirt pockets. So obviously in this case it would be in a groom's pocket or a best man, father of the bride, into their shirt pocket, jacket pockets on a wedding. And then the other relevant option would be voice notes. And again, voice notes is intended for attaching to microphones, taping to microphones, all that kind of thing. So you could use that as if you wanted. Bear in mind, if you do choose these presets, it will override all your other settings. So the WAV and the sensitivity and all that will get overridden in favor of this, because this is intended to be preset mode where everything's done automatically for you. I have used both of these settings. I've used shirt pockets on a wedding all day. I've used voice notes all day, and they both work fine. I've never had any issues with either of them, but personally, from experience, I prefer using the WAV setting and the low sensitivity and doing it manually. So that is what I would suggest, but either way, it's a matter of preference. Feel free to have a play around. I very much doubt a bride and groom watching their film is going to be picking up on what audio settings you've got your recorder on, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. They all sound pretty good, to be honest. So yeah, if you've not already got one of these, get online and buy one or 6 now. I've put an Amazon link in the description. I can guarantee this will change your audio game, and if you have got them, then I hope these settings will be helpful for you. Let me know how you get on. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and share it and subscribe and all that stuff. I will see you folks in the next one.